Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone. Mrs. Stanley here. Congratulations on finishing our last module on fractions. We were working on that for so long. I'm really proud of all of you. Today, we're going to be starting a new module all about data. And when we talk about data, we're talking a lot about graphing and collecting information and how we interpret that information and show it. So today's lesson objective is I can generate and organize data. Your job today is going to either be to get on Zern and complete the Fluency, Number Gym, Pair and Compare, and Tower of Power, or it's going to be to complete your math worksheet that is in your packet for this lesson, your Lesson 1 worksheet, and to send me a picture of it. It's a two-sided worksheet, just like our problem sets from our workbook. They're just printed out and in your packet if you picked one of those up. If not, please complete this on Zern. Let's get started with Math Chat today.
Great to see you. Today we're going to create a Zern ice cream parlor. I need your help deciding what flavors we should sell. We only have room for 3.
What's a good way to figure out what flavors our ice cream parlor should sell? We can only sell 3 flavors. Should we randomly choose 3 ice cream flavors to sell? Collect data on Zerner's favorite ice cream flavors? Or guess what Zerner's favorite ice cream flavors are? I think the best way is to collect data on Zerner's favorite ice cream flavors. That way we can sell the most popular flavors. Which one of the following flavors is your favorite? I like cookies and cream.
Let's collect data to help us select our 3 flavors. One way to collect data is by taking a survey. We asked Zerners at Zern headquarters what their favorite flavors are and recorded their responses. Now let's organize the data in this chart. These numbers tell us how many Zerners chose each flavor as their favorite. Take a look.
How many Zerners chose chocolate as their favorite flavor? I'm just going to take a look at my table where it says chocolate. Next to it, I see the number 4, so I know that 4 Zerners chose chocolate as their favorite flavor. Do the same with strawberry. Strawberry is there at the bottom, and I see that 3 Zerners chose that as their favorite ice cream flavor. How many total Zerners were surveyed for this data table? Try to use mental math. I know that 7 plus 3 equals 10, 4 plus 2 equals 10, 10 plus 10 equals, 4 plus 6 equals 10, 10 plus 10 equals 20, and 20 plus 2 equals 22. So I know that there are 22 Zerners that participated in this survey.
Kayla.
I see that 4 Zerners chose chocolate as their favorite flavor, and 3 Zerners chose strawberry as their favorite. To find out how many total Zerners were surveyed, I found the sum of all the flavors in the data table. I used mental math to make tens. 4 plus 6 is 10, and 7 plus 3 is 10, so that's 20. Adding 2 more equals 22 Zerners in total.
You got it. Let's graph this data using pictures to help us find the 3 most popular flavors. This picture graph lists all of the flavors in the survey at the bottom. Each cone represents 1 Zerner. To show the 4 Zerners who chose chocolate, I'll put 4 cones in the chocolate column. Your turn.
Let's do the same with vanilla. I see that 2 Zerners chose vanilla. I know that 6 Zerners chose cookies and cream. For mint chip, there are 7 Zerners who chose that, and strawberry, 3 Zerners chose strawberry.
Ethan, tell me about your graph.
I used the data table to figure out how many ice cream cones to put in each column. 2 Zerners said vanilla was their favorite flavor, so I put 2 cones here. Then I put 6 cones in cookies and cream, 7 cones in mint chip, and 3 cones in strawberry.
Very nice work. We can use our picture graph to answer questions about our data. Try it out.
What flavor did Zerners choose the most? Mint chip has the most ice cream cones, so I know that is what most Zerners chose. What flavor did Zerners choose the least? I see that vanilla only has 2 ice cream cones, and that's the smallest tower, or the smallest column, so that's how I know that. Based on your data, which 3 flavors do you think we should sell? I would pick chocolate, cookies and cream, and mint chip. because those are the most popular ice cream flavors.
I see that mint chip is the flavor that the most Zerners chose as their favorite, because it has the greatest number of ice cream cones. And vanilla is the flavor that was chosen the least, because it has the fewest number of cones.
Right. So which 3 flavors should we sell?
I think we should sell chocolate, cookies and cream, and mint chip, because those 3 flavors have the tallest columns. That means they're the most popular flavors with this group of Zerners.
I like that thinking. Now that we know which flavors we should stock in our ice cream parlor, we can use our picture graph to understand more information about Zerner's ice cream preferences. Try this one. How many more Zerners like the most popular flavor, mint chip, compared to the least popular flavor, vanilla?
In order to find the difference between vanilla and mint chip, we're going to subtract, right? We want to know how many more Zerners chose mint chip than vanilla. That's always a good hint that we need to subtract. So we're going to start with 7 and subtract 2. 7 minus 2 equals 5. So 5 more Zerners chose mint chip than vanilla.
There are 2 ice cream cones in the vanilla column, and I wanted to see how many more cones were in the mint chip column. So I counted up from 2 like this. 1 more, 2 more, 3 more, 4 more, 5 more. 5 more Zerners chose mint chip than vanilla.
I got the same answer by subtracting the number of Zerners who chose vanilla from the number of Zerners who chose mint chip. 7 minus 2 equals 5.
Great strategies. Keep going.
Now let's compare the 3 most popular flavors. What flavor did Zerners choose the most after mint chip? Cookies and cream. How many more Zerners chose mint chip than cookies and cream? 7 take away 6 equals 1, so 1 more Zerner, because there are 6 cookies and cream. 6 people who choose cookies and cream, and 7 who chose mint chocolate chip. Again, we're going to subtract. 7 minus 6 equals 1.
Cookies and cream is the second tallest column, so it's the second favorite flavor. Only 1 more Zerner liked mint chip best. That means these flavors almost tied for most popular.
Exactly.
How many total Zerners chose the 3 most popular flavors? Let's add those 3 most popular. Chocolate had 4, cookies and cream had 6, and mint chip had 7. So 4 plus 6 equals 10, 10 plus 7 equals 17.
Ethan, finish it off.
To find how many total Zerners chose mint chip, cookies and cream, and chocolate all together, I added 7 plus 6 plus 4. That equals 17. 17 Zerners total chose one of the top 3 flavors.
Awesome work. Thanks for all your help today using data to choose 3 flavors for our Zern ice cream parlor. Keep up your sweet work in the Tower of Power.
All right. Your job is to either complete you have 2 choices. Choice 1 is to just complete your worksheet and send it to me, a picture of it to me. So that would be the lesson 1 worksheet. It's, I believe, 2 pages for that problem set, a front and a back. And then, or you can pick choice 2, which is just to complete your Zern lesson for today. Math chat will be optional, as always, to give you some extra practice if you need it, but you're not required to do it. You need to complete lesson 1 and unlock lesson 2 before the day is over. Thank you so much, and I'm really proud of you and miss you all a ton. Good luck, and I'll talk to you all tomorrow.